Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting friends on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Snapchat app and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner of the home page. Scroll down your profile page and tap My Friends to get to your friends list. Hold down on the friend that you would like to remove. Tap Manage Friendship from the menu that appears. Choose Remove Friend from the options. Tap Remove on the pop-up. That person will no longer be your friend on Snapchat. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.